Hello, I am uploading this since I completely redid my solver, as you can see 2 days ago, and from 2 years ago. Anyways, before I get into anything, I just want to say, most of the code here is not mine. The only thing I contributed is bug fixes here, and some minor tweaks in both of these, and this start script. Aside from that, most of the code here is not mine. Anyways, first things first, you're going to need Python and NumPy installed. If you already have that, feel free to skip on ahead. If not, you're going to want to go here and download this. This includes both Python and NumPy, so you don't need to worry about installing either of those. This is just one install. Don't worry, you can delete it once you're done, so don't really worry too much about it. But for now in this solver, I'm going to be using Anaconda. And another thing, make sure to download it. Just click code, download zip, go to your downloads folder. When you extract it, I recommend deleting this part right here. Then click extract. In your downloads folder, you should see something new, and then go into it, and it should look like this. Anyways, let's get right into this. Step one, you're gonna want to open what's called Anaconda prompt, this thing you just downloaded. You can just go here, Anaconda, and it should look like this, and you'll see this. Next, you're going to want to run this command if you plan on using the automatic solver. Just paste it here. Right click to paste. Control V will not work. And just press enter. So I already have it installed, so it's just gonna tell me requirement already satisfied. For you, it should say successfully installed. It won't say requirement already satisfied. Anyways, step 2. First, go into this folder right here. Just click up here, Control C, then go here and type cd paste. So this moves the prompt there. Next, this is where you actually use the solver. So go into your game, right here, you're going to want to start a game, let it load, make sure this hammer icon is like off to the side here, and then press print screen to take a screenshot, press Alt print screen if you have multiple monitors, and then pause the game, just press F3, Alt tab. Then you're going to want to go open some photo editing software. I'm going to use Paint just because that's the easiest for me. Just Control V. You want to press File, Save As, PNG, and then you might be taken somewhere else. You'll probably be taken to like your downloads folder. Just navigate back to here, go to screenshots, and then save it here. I recommend changing the name. I'm just going to call it my board, but you can honestly call it whatever you want. And I included a sample image for your reference here. Just click save. I'm going to close this. Next, now you're going to want to go into here, Anaconda prompt, type Python, start, and whatever you named your board. So I name it my board, I'm going to type that. And you should see this. Normally, you're going to let this finish all the way. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to terminate it early, but just know the end result is still the same. You'll see this. And give it a bit. And then this should open. And all you do, you just follow these step by step. It's pretty straightforward. You just keep going until you're done. Now note this tries to clear as many blocks as possible. This will not account for your treasure. So if you see treasure, just feel free, use one of these screenshots, go into Paint, just plan out your next move, then actually do it, and then once you got it, just take another screenshot and go rerun the solver. Aside from that, let me close this. Aside from this, if anything goes wrong, refer to this note I left here on how to manually make a board. If nothing went wrong, then don't worry about it. And the last thing I want to say is sometimes you'll get an incomplete solution. If you do, run this command. And that's it really. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. If you have to restart, go to step 3. Or go to step 1 if you need to reopen the solver, but you do not need to reinstall that package. You'll just get that same error I did, saying I already have it. That's it. Take care.